Today, I am introducing you to a game-changing innovation in the world of foldable smartphones, Tecno Phantom V Fold2 5G. This remarkable device redefines the foldable experience with cutting-edge technology, a stunning design, and powerful performance. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a mobile gamer, a photographer, or a business professional, this smartphone is built to meet your highest expectations. Design and display. The Phantom V Fold2 5G is an engineering marvel with a premium foldable LTPO AMOLED display that supports 1 billion colors and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals. It features 7.85-inch 2K plus main display, 2000 by 2296 pixels, for an immersive viewing experience. 6.42-inch FHD plus cover display, 1080 by 2550 pixels, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, ensuring durability and clarity. A sleek, lightweight body weighing just 249 g, with a slim profile of 6.1 mm when unfolded. IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, making it more durable for everyday use. Stylus support with the Phantom V Pen, enhancing productivity and creativity. With these features, this smartphone brings the ultimate flexibility and convenience to users who demand both a large screen experience and portability. Camera system. For photography lovers, the Phantom V Fold2 delivers flagship-level camera capabilities with a triple 50MP rear camera setup, 50MP wide sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS) for stunning clarity, 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, perfect for portrait shots, 50MP ultra-wide camera with a 114-degree field of view, ensuring you capture more in every shot, 32MP front cameras on both the cover and inner displays, making selfies and video calls crystal clear. Not only does this smartphone boast high-resolution cameras, but it also incorporates advanced AI features and Dolby Atmos-powered dual stereo speakers, enhancing both your photography and multimedia experiences. Performance and battery life. At the heart of the Phantom V Fold2 5G lies the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset, a 4nm powerhouse that ensures blazing fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI-driven applications. With 12GB of RAM and a massive 512GB storage, this phone is built for speed and efficiency. One of its biggest highlights is its record-breaking battery life. 5,750 mAh battery, the largest battery in any foldable smartphone today. 70W wired fast charging, reaching 50% in just 20 minutes and 100% in 49 minutes. 15W wireless charging, making it easy to power up on the go 910. This ensures that you can enjoy a full day of productivity and entertainment without constantly worrying about running out of charge. Software and features. Running on Android 14 with iOS 14 Fold, Tecno has introduced several software enhancements. FreeCam system. Take hands-free photos and videos using various foldable angles, 30 to 120 degrees freeform mode, optimized for video calls, media consumption, and multitasking. Tent mode allows you to play videos on the outer screen while the device remains partially folded. Satellite communication and enhanced GPS positioning for improved connectivity and location accuracy. Moreover, the eco-friendly design in the rippling blue color variant is made with sustainable leather, and the packaging is entirely biodegradable. Tecno's step towards sustainability. Pricing and availability. The Phantom V Fold2 5G is competitively priced at $1,099, making it a strong contender in the foldable smartphone market. It will be available in Africa, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and the Middle East. Conclusion. The Tecno Phantom V Fold2 5G is not just a smartphone, it is a revolutionary step forward in foldable technology. From its stunning displays, powerful cameras, massive battery, and cutting-edge software features, this device sets a new standard for premium foldables. If you are looking for innovation, power, and versatility, the Phantom V Fold2 5G is the ultimate choice. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.